this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a very powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. All right, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to first of all explain to you how to take your entry and exit with this strategy, and then after that I'll be explaining how to set it up. Okay, so make sure you stick to the video to the end. Make sure not to skip any part of this video because they are vital informations you don't want to miss. All right, so as you can see here on the indicator window, we have the awesome oscillator and the relative strength index. Okay, so this is how it works. All right, so whenever you see that there is a spike in the market, all right, you are going to be observing the indicator window here, and you want to see that this awesome oscillator line here has spiked up to the overbought level. All right, so when there is a spike, the awesome oscillator line is also going to spike to this overbought level, indicating that price has gotten to the overbought level, which means that you are to be looking for sell entry in the market. All right, so what you do is that you are going to wait for the fractal to appear on top of that spike that will occur in the market. All right, now this fractal that is appearing here is trying to tell you that the market is about to reverse. All right, so note, all right, take note of this. We are using the strategy to take these small candles from the market without the fear of spike, all right, without you getting taken out by spikes in the market. All right, so we are trading against the spike. All right, so once you have seen a spike, once you have seen that there is a spike in the market and you see that this awesome oscillator is at the overbought level, all right, you are going to wait for the fractal. You are going to wait for the fractal to appear on top of the spike. All right, this small arrow, this blue arrow here on top of the spike is the fractal. All right, so once it appears, you are also going to now once it appears, it doesn't mean that you should sell immediately. All right, you are going to still wait for one more condition, which is the awesome oscillator changing from green to red. All right, so initially when it gets to this overbought level, it's going to be showing you color green. All right, so when the color changes to red, it's trying to tell you that you should sell now. All right, so immediately you see that it has changed to red, you go in immediately and you pick 5 candles. All right, so you can see this is where it starts changing from this area here. All right, this candlestick here is where the awesome oscillator start changing from. So immediately you are going to sell from this area. All right, you sell and you are going to hold for 5 extra candlestick. All right, so you wait for 1 2 3 4 5 and then you exit the market. It's as simple as that. All right, that's how the strategy works. Okay, so let me show you one more example again. So you can see that there is a spike in the market currently. So this is where price is currently. All right, so what you are to do, you see that there's a spike now. All right, you can see initially the awesome oscillator line here was green. All right, so you are going to wait for it to start changing to red. All right, so this is the area it start changing to red. All right, so immediately you see that it has changed to red, you are going in for 5 candles. All right, so you can see that it's too late for me. All right, but you can see that we have already gotten more than 5 candles here. All right, so once you get your 5 candles, you exit. All right, you exit the market before the next spike will come. All right, so with you sticking to this simple condition I've just given to you, you will be able to milk the market on daily basis without the fear of spike. All right, even if there is a spike, you'll be able to recover your money. All right, so this strategy has multiple entry opportunities. All right, you can see with this strategy you are going to get multiple entry opportunity on daily basis. All right, so practice with this strategy. All right, practice with it and then come back to tell me how it's working for you. All right, this is a very powerful strategy. All right, now this is how you take your entry on the 1 minute time frame. All right, now it doesn't end here on the 1 minute time frame. All right, so this what I have just explained here is just for you to be able to take your entry on the 1 minute time frame. All right, but you have to also go to the higher time frame to do your analysis. All right, to make sure that you are in line with the overall trend of the market. All right, so currently we are on boom. All right, and we are selling. All right, we are selling on boom, which means we are trading against the spike. All right, boom is supposed to be a buying market. All right, we are selling against the spike of the market. All right, so you have to be very careful, all right, while using this strategy. So you go to the higher time frame, let's say the 1 hour time frame, and you want to make sure that you are in a downtrend. All right, because we are on boom and we are selling, we are only looking for sell trade. So the trend you want to be following here is a downtrend. All right, so you want to observe that you are in this kind of market condition. You can see that around this area the market is trending downwards. All right, so once you observe from the 1 hour time frame that the market is in a downtrend, all right, this kind of downtrend now that you can see here. So once you have observed that the market is in a downtrend, then you quickly rush to the 1 minute time frame, and then you wait for the conditions which I've earlier laid out for you. All right, you wait for those conditions. So once there's a spike and you see that your now you see why you need to stick to 5 candles. You can see that there's a spike already. All right, so with you not sticking to 5 candles, this spike would have taken you out. All right, so as you can observe from the 1 hour time frame, we are in an uptrend, right? The market is currently in an uptrend, so this is a bad market condition for you to trade using this strategy. All right, so you want to trade when the market is in a downtrend. With that, the strategy is going to work 80% of the time. All right, so that's what you need to know concerning this strategy. All right, it's a very simple strategy and also very powerful. All right, so make sure you stick to the conditions I've just given and you are good to go. Okay, so that's going to be all for this one. All right, so I'm going to quickly share with you the indicator setup and then we are done with this strategy. Okay, so before I do that, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, all right, for growing your small account. All right, this one I'm talking about is a VIP strategy strictly designed for trading the boom and crash market. All right, and it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or not, you should be able to use this strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, and if you are watching from TikTok, you check my profile bio. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. All right, do make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that's that for that. All right, that's that for that. All right, back to this strategy here now. Okay, now for you to set the strategy up, you click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your fractals. So the fractals, you are going to use the default setting, or you can set it same as mine. The color is blue, 3 pixels for it. You click on done. Then nextly we have the awesome oscillator. All right, so for you to add the awesome oscillator, you click on the main window plus icon here, you search for your awesome oscillator. These are the properties for the awesome oscillator. All right, you can set it to default setting. All right, you can use the default setting for the awesome oscillator, or you can increase the pixel. All right, so as you can see, the volume up, I'm using 3 pixels for it. The color is green, and then the volume down, so once you set this volume up to 3 pixels, the volume down will also be set to 3 pixels. Okay, so that's how it works. After that, you click on done. All right, then lastly we have the relative strength index. So for the relative strength index, you are going to be clicking on the indicator window 1 plus icon here. You search for your relative strength index. All right, so these are the properties for the relative strength index. The period is 1, apply to its close. The level, you make it 85 and 15. All right, the color is red, you make it 4 pixels. You click on done. All right, then nextly the time frame is all time frame. The style, the color is red, as you can see, 3 pixels for it, and then you click on done. All right, so once you set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this. All right, so what I want you guys to do now is to backtest the strategy. All right, make sure you backtest it, practice it for yourself, and make sure that it's working for you before you deposit your hard-earned money and start trading with the strategy. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one. For those of you who have not yet subscribed, please make sure to do that, and also don't forget to give the video a like if you know you are getting value from it. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.